Isn't that a bit hot?
Good evening.
Hello, Psychic Sam. Isn't that a bit hot in this temperature?
You are not dressed properly. It's freezing outside.
Freezing? What do you mean?
I'm getting a strong feeling. We're getting a blizzard tonight, you know.
Blizzard? This is summer. How is that possible? We're in the northern hemisphere.
It's 25 degrees outside.
Where did you hear about that?
I'm getting a strong feeling again. We're getting a big snowstorm.
Oh my goodness. You're really insane.
I hope you have your snow... No, I have my muffler, you see?
You're really wrong, you know.
Now, let me ask you a question. You just graduated college, didn't you?
Oh my goodness, I'm out of here. Bye.
What? I don't know why he's saying it's warm out. I'm getting another strong feeling. We're getting a blizzard soon. It's freezing. She's going to freeze her tuchus off. These people are going out. They think I'm crazy dressed like this. What is wrong with everyone today?